MLGO stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is MicroAlgo stock a buy? I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief short 1-minute video. I am the only person in the stock trading space with a 43,000 videos proof and documentation of everything. And just genuinely speaking, it's a bearish market for me. It's not that I'm just going to immediately start melting, selling or whatever, but it just bearish market. You know, March was the whole different play though. Like in March, I even go longs. I have 43 results in the Discord regarding this, so there's really not lack of coverage on MLGO. And with this now, with MLGO, only thing that's going to be kind of making sense for me is there's a full candle close above that is to $20.70. I mean, currently just a bearish market, you know what I mean? Like two ways that I'll be bullish. One, if there's a big catalyst, or two, just break above 2070. Out of the net, it's a bearish market. If you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.